Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll to find password and security. Now let's tap on system security and here let's scroll in order to find credential storage. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's simply tap on it, and of course your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just confirm it with OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm. And as you can see, we've got the information. What is more, here we've got another confirmation because this option is not available right now, it is inactive, of course because we just successfully removed all user certificates. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.